Welcome back everyone to Amin Trades. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today is day 3 of the small account challenge. If you saw the episode about day 2, you know we started the day with $1,834.73 and made a profit of $240.15. Account grew 36% in just 2 days since the beginning of the challenge. Today's episode is about day 3, and after some fees and commissions, our starting equity was $2,065.21. So now the question is, did we make money on day 3? We'll find out together in this episode. Let's check out one of the live trades I took for day 3. But before that, remember, trading carries a lot of risk. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Do your own due diligence before making any financial investments. For today's live trade, we'll go through a trade that I took on CYCU. As of November 5, 2025, the company had a float of 2.66 million. Short float was 9.75%. Institutional ownership was 0.31%. According to the statistics for the last 3 years, anytime the stock gapped up over 10% with a volume of 1 million shares or more, it closed below the open price 70% of the time. The company had a very little cash left. And you can see from the daily chart, the stock has been downtrending, and on the previous day, it was at its all-time low. The reason for the spike today is the news that the company won a $1.1 million contract. The trade took roughly 10 minutes, but because I was trading in my regular account at the same time, I had to switch back and forth between my accounts a couple of times. So I'll edit the video accordingly so that we can cut off some of the bits that were not relevant to this trade. Locating some shares here, trying to short 50 shares at 307 in case it's just a pop and immediate fail. Ended up hitting the bid for 50 shares and got the 307 failed as well. So 100 shares short now with a 302 average. My intention was to short up to 900 shares if it went higher. As you can see, I have orders up there. This is consolidating here for a bit. My plan was to see if it can push over 350 and fail to stay above that to add in a bigger size. Trying to short some tiny shares at 315 and 320 in case it fails to push higher. Volume is pretty low, just over 160k shares traded so far today. Ended up hitting the bid at 308 to short another 50 shares. A little bit of impatience on my part. So 150 shares short now, and average is 304. Cancel the 315 and 320 orders here. Threw in a new short order at 330 and hoping for it to at least go up to 340-ish to load more shares. Canceled both pending short orders for the time being. Locating some more shares here. Shorted some more here. Now 252 shares short. at 308 average. Have orders ready to short more at 330 and 340. Trying to scale in case it rips higher. The 330 and 340 got filled. 452 shares short, and average now is 320. I was looking for that 350 push and fail. And here it does exactly that. Breaks 350 and immediately slams back under with a heavy volume. I had an order ready at 355, but it never got there. Trying to short some more here at 337, but no fill. Canceled the order and moved it down to 334. The 334 got filled. I was really hoping it tries to get up to around 350 one more time, but it went down pretty fast and I couldn't load full size. Here you can see I had an order ready at 345. So currently short 500 shares at 321. I'm locating some more shares to add to my winner. Added 100 at 328 and another 100 at 327. 700 shares short with 323 average. Here I put out an order to cover 200 shares at 317 just to take some partials. Trying to short another 100 at 340 in case it pushes. Put out another cover order at 302, right above the whole dollar mark. The 317 got filled, now 500 shares left. Volume is over a million shares right now. Took 50 off at 315. Looking to take off another 50 at 309. 309 got filled, now 400 shares left. Dumps pretty hard here, under $3, and we're all out. $120.45 for this trade. Here is the final P&L for day 3. I only traded 2 stocks, and it was a small green day with $149.45 in profit. It will be a little bit less after the fees and commissions are taken out. So the account is up now roughly 45% in 3 days. Stay tuned for day 4, and if you're enjoying this challenge, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. Take care and trade smart.